Welcome to the YouTube channel of Snehlata Srivastava, XSG Lok Sabha. In this video, in continuation of my previous video, I tell you how the oath and affirmation procedure takes place in the House. The members will normally be allowed to take oath only after they have shown their certificate of election to any of the officers on duty in committee room. To JS or director table office in advance. If members who have been members of previous House does not produce their certificates, they will be allowed to take oath on the basis of acknowledgement of certificate of election received in this secretariat from the returning officer. If a member who has been returned for the first time does not produce a certificate, the member will be allowed to take oath only after he or she has been introduced by an ex-member or the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. On signature of the members have been verified with those in the acknowledgement received from the returning officer. With a view to facilitate identification of such a member at the time of vote taking, a letter duly signed by JS table office or director table office will be given to the member saying that he or she has been introduced by such and such member. So it's just to have a proper and full proof verification of the elected member before he is subscribing to oath or affirmation. Then verification of certificate of election, when they have to be doubly checked, the signature of the member with the signature in the acknowledgement received from the returning officer. The officer may, after verifying the identity of the member elect, sign on the back of the certificate in token of having done so, and return the certificate to the member, who will be advised to hand it over to the officer at the table before taking the oath. So the acknowledgements will be kept at the table at the time of taking the oath for the purpose of verification if necessary. At the time of oath taking, members will be required to show the certificate of election to the officer at the table. The certificates of election will be returned to the members immediately after they have made and subscribed the oath of affirmation and they sign the register. The member who take oath without producing their certificate of election at the table will be requested to do so in writing, and a watch will be kept that all such members actually produce their certificates, and if necessary, reminders will be issued to them. And in such cases, the certificate of election will be returned to the members by the lobby assistant and signature of members after obtaining signatures from them. In the case of ministry, ministers of state, deputy minister, the certificates will be returned to their private secretaries. Legislative officer, lobby officer, the lobby assistant and assistant dealing with oath will assist the officer at the table in the verification of certificates of election of members. The names of members who show their certificate before the commencement of the sitting on the first day after general elections will be tick marked in a list of members, and the particulars as to whether the members will take oath or make affirmation and the language in which the member will do so noted. This list will be kept at the table along with other agenda papers of JS table office and Secretary General Lok Sabha. The information regarding the oath or affirmation to be made by the member and the language therefore will also be noted in pencil on the backside of the certificate of election of the members. The table office will prepare at least a week before the date of commencement of the session 6 typed copies of a list of members in the order to be observed by in the order which will be observed by the Secretary General in the House when calling out the names of members for making oath or affirmation. That is the Prime Minister, if we have Deputy Prime Ministers, then Cabinet Ministers, Leader of Opposition, Minister of State, Deputy Ministers, members of the panel of chairpersons if appointed, and other members state-wise and constituency-wise. So this is in brief the process for going on for oath and affirmation. Thank you.